In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import CSV file in Notion page. So you can add CSV files to the existing working folder by creating a subpage, or you can create a new page by going here. So I will be adding a new page within the existing folder, and then we have to click here on these three dots. You also can click here on the right corner, and then we click on import from the drop down. Select CSV, choose file. In that case, I'm choosing Theory's full CSV file. You can map CSV headers here. Import CSV. There you go. So let's say you want to add more CSV files and want to merge within this existing file. So to do that, you have to click here again on these three dots. From there, merge with CSV, and then choose the other file, Theories CSV, and map CSV headers, and then import CSV. Okay, so these two are now merged together, but in that case you have to be careful that the header informations, like all the sections here, has to match, or else you will not get all the data accordingly. So friends, this is how you can simply add CSV files in your Notion page. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.